Thank you. Yes, okay, brilliant. Right, excellent, excellent. Fantastic, great, great. So we will do for 44 and now we can do 11 questions. So every 4 questions we do 1 question, yes, okay? Every 4 questions we do 1 question. Yeah. So question number 45, right? 45 we do it. So 45, 49, in the one pool part, 53, etc., etc. Okay, done. So start with 45 more, please. I hope all of you have your file with you. You can refer the question if you wish, because nothing is a bar for you now. You can do whatever you want, because I am not seeing your video. You are not in my video. I am so totally dumb. I can totally blind, rather, not dumb, okay? I'm totally blind with respect to what activity you are doing it for this. So kindly refer the PDF file and the question number 45, yes. The vertices of, or else we just watch it here. The vertices of triangle are this. They are given 3 vertices. Equation of the median BE. Very, very simple question, yes. So they are given the vertices of a triangle ABC. So they said BE median they wanted, BE median. So what is this E is called, please? Anybody can say? E is, come on, yeah, E is
midpoint.
Midpoint of BC, sir.
Midpoint of BC, yes. And they asked you to write equation of this BE, equation of BE, yes. So hold on, for somebody is ringing the bell. Sir, what next? தண்ணி நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. தண்ணி வச்சு உள்ள கிளாஸ் இருக்கு. தேங்க்யூ. Thank you. That man has done a great help to me. I kept, I drink boiled water. Water I kept on the stove. Say around 20 minutes back, I kept it. Okay. And it is going on. Suppose that man did not ring the bell, I think today something would have happened for it. Because all the water would have overflown and something would have happened, Marie. Great. This is called, I believe in God. Okay, that man has come as a God. Okay, anyway, waterman, is a nice boy. Yes, so ABC are given to us. A is called 2,5 and B is called -4,9 and C is called -2, -1. Yes. Friends, if I want to write the equation of BE, right? BE, B is known to me. If I know E, then I can write the equation by using the 2-point form. Yes or no, yes?
Yes, sir.
So you do that. Find E, E is the midpoint of BC. You do that, it's called 0. And 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. You know the 2 points. And write the equation of BE by using a 2-point form. I don't want to do that and waste my time. Okay, please. Yes or no? You can do or not? X1 by 1, 2 by 2 power. Okay. You can simply take this as a x1 by 1 and this is x2 by 2 and 2 minus 9 is -7 and 0 plus 4 is 4 and y minus y1. y1 is 9 and x1 is 4. X plus 4 minus 4. That's how you do it. You get 4y minus 36 is equal to -7x plus -28. So you get 7x plus 4y minus is equal to 0. This is the equation of the median BE, my dears. Okay, right? Google, is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Jeevit, are you clear? 2-point form means what? This is called y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1. Cross multiplication. Now we get a doubt, okay? We get a doubt. What doubt? Sir, if I take this is x2 y2 and this is x1 y1, is it the same equation or not? Try it. Try it. So this is 9 minus 2 is 7. Minus 4 minus 4. You get the same slope. But what do you get here? Y minus 2 by x minus 0, right? You see that? Minus 4y plus 8, that's equal to 7x. So 7x plus 4y minus 8 is 0. However you do it here, you interchange x1 by 1, it's not going to change the equation. This doubt may be there in some of your minds. But see that now we have, is it appearing very dull, ma? Dull? Maybe, yeah. Yeah, see this now. It's a very bright, right? Right. Okay. Done. Come on, take it, pa. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll go for next one, 49, pa, please. Okay. Please go through it. So this is the alternate, ma. Either you can take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. The changing that doesn't matter, ma. You can take because your slope does not change. Only symbol will change. Correct? This is minus 7, same. Slope is same, minus 7 by 4 minus, but here these things will change, but final answer will be the same answer, does not vary. Come on. So the next question is 49th one part. If you are ready, then I will go for it. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One of you be a prompter, ma, please. Okay. Anyway, Kavi is responding well. Maybe she is feeling that I think every time people may think that why am I so aggressive, right? They don't mind, don't worry. You be a prompter, Kavi, okay?
Okay, sir.
You can answer all questions, okay? Meaning what? Particularly this kind of things, okay? Moving to the next question like that, right? You just can prompt me, right? Yes, sir, Anna. I will proceed with it, okay? 49th one, Manav. 49th one. These are, see this brilliant question, ma. A, B, C are the triangle, then the equation of altitude 3B through B. They are given, I think we have done this model also, right? A, B, C. 49th. And 2, 1, minus 2, comma 3, and 4, comma 5. These are the vertices of a triangle. Equation of the altitude, ma. This is called altitude, pa. This D being altitude. Equation of altitude, ma. AD. Equation of AD. Who will give the clue, ma, please? What to do, dears? How to proceed, dears? Yes. Yeah. What do you do, dears? Anybody? I'll keep.
Find the slope of BC.
Brilliant, brilliant, yeah, brilliant. Find the slope of BC. Then, Arpit?
Then we can find the slope of the altitude, and then we have the point already. So slope point form.
Great, great, great. That's amazing. Okay? Ultimate answer. Ultimate style. Friends, first you find slope of BCDS, by which you can find slope of ADDS. What a flow chart for you, please. So once you know slope of ADDS, so come on, you get point A is 2, comma 1.
Question, sir.
Yes,
In the
please.
question, they're saying the line through B, sir. Does that mean the altitude is from B to AC?
If it is from B, yes, we should do from B. I think last time also we have done from A, I think, right?
That's what is written in the
Yeah.
question, sir. It's saying from B.
Yeah, anyway, we will change it as A. Doesn't matter, ma. Please, doesn't matter. Any vertex doesn't matter. I am changing it, no problem. If you want from B also, you can do it. It's not an issue at all. Last question also, it is from B only. I did for A. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I
The
did
same
for
answer will come.
yes.
Will the same answer come? The equation will be the same.
How can it come? How can it be the same answer, please? Altitudes are not same. They are different. Medians are not same. They are different. Answer will not be the same. You will get a different answer now, please. Yes, anyway, I do now from B itself. Okay, yes. Actually, it is from B only last time also, but I think generally it is from A now, so B. Yes, friends, yeah. So equation of BD, please. So friends here, so first you find out slope of AC. Thereby you can find out slope of BD. You know the point B. B is -2, 3. Are you able to follow? And slope is coming from here. Slope is coming from here. Over, you write the equation, slope point form, all of us aware of it. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to m. That's all. You cross multiply. That's it. Over, correct? That is 49th one. So I don't want to do the answer, please, a waste of time. So 49th is done, yes. Next one is 51, 52. My other question panla. We are missing that model if I don't do that. Okay. Right. Is it okay, Pa? Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
You are able to follow the concept, right?
Yes, sir.
See, Pa, working with numerical is called a labor job. Please understand this, please. If you know the logic, you can do any time the labor job, please. The intelligent work is understanding the concept, how to do under the Teringa Podum. Implementation is not a big deal. Okay. I hope you follow me. What I did is, I think this model will work. We can do more questions now. Okay, I can do 3 questions, every 3 questions, 1 question now. 51 or 52 morning, I posted here this question. Okay. Nobody responds from the WhatsApp. 51. The equation of a line which is equidistant. Fabulous question, which is equidistant. There is a girl called Avantika in 12th standard. Avantika in 12th standard. This question's right. I posted in the status also. She has seen it, but she didn't answer it. But I again posted to her. She has given a beautiful answer for this. Wonderful girl in mathematics. Okay, she is beautiful in mathematics. She can kill any type of question. Okay, most of the questions. So be friendly with her. Okay, just have a chat with her and develop the friendship. She is amazing girl in mathematics. Equation of a line which is equidistant from the lines. From the lines. X equal to -2 and x equal to 6 minus. What a brilliant question, please. There are 2 lines, ma. There are 2 lines. You need to find another line. This line is equidistant from this line and this line, please. Can you please? Yes, one of you, please. X equal to -2. How do you draw this line, Mr. Arpit?
Parallel to the y-axis.
Brilliant. Parallel to the y-axis at x equal to -2. Brilliant answer. How do you draw x equal to 6, Mohan? Now you want a midpoint, ma. Midpoint mean equidistant means what? Mid. So friends here, which is equidistant from the lines. Friends here, sir, how do you say that this also parallel to y-axis? He said that which is equidistant from the lines. So here friend, these two are parallel lines. You can have equidistant, another parallel line. Distant means what? Perpendicular distance. So this become a distance, my dears. This become a distance, equidistance. Friends, here, what is the distance, total distance, my this one? Anybody?
8 units, sir.
8 units, brilliant. This 6 unit is 6, this 2 ma 8. 8 unit anna dears. So what should be this length ma? 4. And what should be this length? 4. Anyway, if you don't understand my language, I can give you a different answer. What is the coordinate of this one ma? This point is -2, 0. What is the coordinate of this point? 6, 0. This is the midpoint, dears. This is the midpoint. Understand? A, B, and C is the midpoint. What is the midpoint? 6 minus 2, 4 by 2 is 2. 2, 0. So x equal to -2. This equation is x equal to -2. This one, x equal to 6, because x coordinate is 6. Here x coordinate is 2. So x equal to 2. Yes. What a brilliant answer. Cracking answer. Yes. Clear, ma? 6 minus 4 is 2, dears, over. -2 plus 4. If plus, if minus. So 6 minus 4 is 2, dears. Or -2 plus 4 is 2. Wow, wow. Understood, dears? So what is the answer now? X equal to 2 is the equation of a line which is equidistant from these two lines. This line, but anyway, I made little. Okay, fine, fine. It's not a scaled figure, correct? See this? This distance is same as this 4 and 4 years. Wow, what a brilliant question. Okay, so now you should give me an instant answer. I am going to change the question. Same question is model is same, but numbers I am going to change it. Please answer it immediately, dears. You have to give me an instant answer now, please. Y equal to 8 and y equal to -2. Write the equation or tell the equation which is equidistant from both the lines, my dears. Anybody?
Sir, y is equal to 3.
Brilliant, brilliant guy. Yeah. Excellent. Oh my God. Wow, amazing. Because what is 8 plus 2 ma? 10 is the distance, right? 10 by 2 is what? 5. So 8 minus 5 is what? 3. That's all. Or -2 plus 5 is 3. Wow. So 8 minus 5 ma. 8 minus 5 is 3. 10 by 2, dear. 8 units and 2 units ma. 10 units. 10 by 2 is 5 units. 8 minus 5 is what ma? 3 units. So y equal to such a fabulous answer. Okay. Great. Great. This is a shortcut, yes. Followed. Yes, Kavi, what happened?
Sir?
No, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shortcut is clear, right? All of you, please. Gogol.
Yes, sir.
Mohan. Jeevit.
Yes, sir.
Done. So 51, 52 model is done, ma. Next one, please. All chiller questions are there. Okay, I'll just give question number 55, ma. Okay, question number 55. 55, 56 are both same here. So I read out the question here. A line cuts the y-axis at a distance of 3 units from the origin. A line cuts the y-axis at 3 units from the origin. 0, 3 years because it is y-axis. 0, a line cuts the y-axis at a distance 3 units from the origin. 3 units from the origin. and make an angle of 120 degree with the positive direction of the x-axis. Yes, this is correct. It is not the positive direction, means what? A positive x-axis. Please, if I say that it is making a 3 mark, no doubt, 3 and which one. Suppose it is making 30 degree, then I should bring like this. This is the 30 degree notice. It's not the positive. I told you very beginning, it's a positive x-axis. It is not the meaning that it is from the positive x-axis. It is positive. No, it is the angle is measured in the anti-clockwise direction. So 120 if we correct it. 30 then this is correct. Okay. So it's not the positive x-axis. Literally, you should understand it. Positive x-axis and negative x-axis. Please kindly follow this. Over my you want to write the equation of this line, please. So you know the point, and you can find out a slope here. Tan 120 mark. Tan 120 is nothing but tan 180 minus 60 mark. Tan 180 second quadrant here. Tan is negative, so it is a negative 60 degree mark. That's all, please. Minus tan 60 is minus root 3 ds. You know the slope, and you know the point. Slope point formed here. You can complete this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good. There is a 50th question. That model is done. Okay. Next 59 model is a brilliant model. I am going to 59 straight away. Okay, 59th one, please. The lines L1 is given, L2 is given, 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. And this is the question I posted in the group also. 27x, come on, who will answer this amazing question, dears? 27x minus 18y plus 25 equal to 0. These two lines are what type of line they are? They are parallel to each other. B, they are perpendicular to each other. C, they are coincident lines. And D, none of this. Brilliant answer, none of this. Correct? Yeah, come on. Who will tell this, please? Come on, take it. What type of question it is? What is the answer? Is it first one, second one, third one, or none of this? What do you say? Yes, yes. Brilliant. Come on. Come on. Now, see this. Nice, fantastic.
Sir, is
Okay.
it none of these?
None of this. Wrong answer, yes. Come on. Next. Google.
Perpendicular, sir.
Brilliant answer. How do you say perpendicular, dear? What is the reason, Mr. Google? Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, when we divide the L2 by 9, we'll get L1, sir.
L1 is perpendicular to.
Yes,
What is perpendicular to L1 now? Perpendicular to L1. How do you write it? X, Y, plus is there, minus. How do you write a perpendicular line, please? Parallel means what? 2x one, it's the same 2x plus 3y or parallel means, correct? Plus C. But you can multiply with some number, you get, of course, that's not a problem. It should be multiple of 2 should be there for parallel. Now what is there here? You are interchanging 2 become 3, 3 become 2 now here. Interchange. So this become 3x, this become 2y plus c equal to 0. Okay. So friends, here this can be multiplied with 9 part. 9 3s are 27 minus 18y plus c equal to 0. So this is actually a perpendicular line. Please understand this. Yes, such a brilliant one. Parallel means what? It is a multiple of 2. No, failed. It is a multiple of 2, right? Whatever, if it is 2 by 27 by 2, this also should be 27 by 2 ds. Okay, it's not parallel now. Okay, right. I hope you are able to follow me, right? L1, this is L1, right? This is L2. I mean, perpendicular to L1 now. This is L1. Perpendicular to L1 is interchange. Plus minus. Wow. So multiply with 9. Doesn't matter. Multiply with any number, no problem. So Purida.
Yes, sir.
Ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. Bx minus ay plus c2 equal to 0. I can write 2bx minus 2ay plus c3 equal to 0. This is what I mean. It could be some scalar k. It should be some scalar k, right? C2 into k is C3 ds. That's constant only. Wow, what a brilliant thinking for me. Okay, you understand this one? All this is L1, L2. This is nothing but L3. So same line, my L2 and L3 are parallel ds. Yes or no? You able to follow? Are you all able to follow? L1 is
Yes, sir.
perpendicular to L2. L1 is
Yes, sir.
perpendicular to L2, right? And L2 is parallel to L3. Agree? See, Paranga. Same minus B. See, 2x minus 3y plus c1 equal to 0. 4x minus 6y plus c2 equal to 0. This 2 by 4, 3 by 6, the c1 by c2 should not be 1 by 2. Therefore, they become parallel ds. I know that I am confusing you. Very good. Confusion has to come. But some of them will be really catching it. You understand here? Such a brilliant question. I love it. The way you answered this question, all of it is. Gogul and Kavi has answered it. Great. That is a 50. 59, I think, right? 59. You could also answer this if you wish. 60th. X plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. 2x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. What do you call them? What are these two lines are called? Anybody?
Parallel, sir.
Brilliant answer. Parallel, right? 1 by 2, 2 by 4, minus 9 by 5 equal, not equal. So parallel lines. Brilliant answer. So 10th standard stop here. So excellent, excellent. Friends, now coming to 61st one, yes. Look at the 61st one, yes. What is the question, please, here? Angle made by the line is given as x plus root 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Angle made by line in the line with the positive x-axis. Yes, dear. Who will answer this, please? Come on. I want an answer for this. I don't do it. I won't do it. Come on. Quick answer I wanted.
Sir, 150.
Yes?
150.
Brilliant answer. How do you say that?
slope, sir, and then that's it. Slope is equal to angle.
That's it. You take a slope first. See, if you want to talk about the angle, you can talk about the slope, yes. Because slope is nothing but tan theta ma. If you know the slope, if you know the tan theta, you can find out the theta, yes. That is the beauty of this question, yes. Angle means theta. Slope is tan theta. Theta it contains, right? Tan theta contains theta. Tan theta is contained by slope. Wow, wow. Brilliant. And then write this always, if you want to find out the slope, please write in the slope intercept form. Friends, here x plus root 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Root 3y, y equal to mx plus c ma. Y is mx plus c ma. Therefore, root 3y equals to minus x plus 6. Divide with root 3. Minus 1 by root 3x plus 6 by root 3. Forget about this. So this minus 1 by root 3 is slope. So tan theta is minus 1 by root 3. If it is 1 by root 3, it is 30 degree mark, right? What is the minus 180 minus 30? That is called 150. Amazing answer, my dear. Perfect, great, fabulous. This is understanding of subject copies. Right, right. Great, I love it. Brilliant. Come on, yes. Next one, next. Got it, all of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Gogol, you are not talking, what is this here? You are a, I think you are a disciple of Buddha, I think, right? Am I right?
No, sir.
Why are you not talking more, please? You should answer it and you should be involved in the discussion there.
Okay.
Terlana okay, but join the discussion, please. Come on. Yeah. Another model, please. One question for remaining you try it, okay? 62 model, 62 model. A line passes through 2 minus 2 comma minus 5. And parallel to the line, this line L is parallel to L1 now. L1 is given as 2x minus 3y equal to 7 now. Then what is the equation of LDS? What is the equation of L? Please come on. Who will? Come on, take it and answer me, please. Think about this, ma. Think about this. The line is, the L is passing through 2 comma minus 5. And L is parallel to L1. What does it indicate, ma? What do you mean by two lines are parallel, dears?
They have equal slopes, sir.
Their slopes are equal.
Slopes are equal. What is slope of L1? Minus A by B, right? So it is 2 by 3, correct? 2 by minus of minus 2 by 3 now. Okay, what? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, equation of L, you know the slope is 2 by 3 and point is 2 comma minus 5. SP form DS. Agreed, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you can find slope by using the formula minus A by B. Illa sir, now I am a fan of slope intercept formula. You can write 2x minus 7 equal to 3y, right? Then y equal to 2 by 3x minus 7 by 3. So this is y is mx plus c ma. So m is 2 by 3. There is no need of that formula remembering, right? See the beauty of this model, please. Okay. You all appreciate it. Is it okay? So slope point form, you write it and you get the equation. Yes. Okay. Right. 62 is done now, please. Likewise, you get another same perpendicular now, parallel, passing through the 2 comma minus 5, perpendicular to the line, some line will be given. It's a parallel, they give perpendicular. Illana, you can also do like this, please. You can find a slope. This is one model. Other model is like this, yes. See, yes, L is parallel to L1 now. L1 the equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 7, yes. I told you, right, L will be what, ma? 2x minus 3y equal to C, some constant which you don't know. But now this L is passing through what? 2 comma minus 5, x comma y. So x you put 2 ma, 2 into 2 minus 3 into minus 5 equal to C. 4 plus 15 equal to C. So C equal to 19 ds. So you can write 2x minus 3y is equal to 19 ma. This is the equation of L ds. You will find an option of this. See that, how smart it is, okay? This is R ma, R. Which is better, ds? Which is better? R is better or first method is better? Yeah?
Second one.
Second one. Of course, you can try both, okay? Nothing big here, but it's not very irritating one, okay? Writing days and all those things are useless, but this is the best one. When L is parallel to L1, this is called L1, this is L1. L I am writing it, you know that same, this part is same, but constant differs. Right? Parallel lines differ only in constant terms. Come on, what a brilliant one of this. Yeah. Look at this, yes. Next one, please. Same perpendicular model, please, Venn diagram. We can't do all. See, already what is the time now? How many questions you have done? 19, 18. That means we spent almost 45 minutes. Okay. What happened to Ram? Right. So 62, I have done it, and 65 Pagala, right? Friends, here 65 Parma. Equation of a line perpendicular to x minus 7y plus 5 equal to 0 and having x-intercept ma. Line perpendicular to this ma. The line is perpendicular to this line. And having x-intercept ma. X-intercept as 3. X-intercept is 3 ds. Aha, what a brilliant thing, please. So, since he has given x-intercept 3, we write a slope-intercept form, a slope x-intercept form, yes. Google, your favorite question, ma? Yes. Slope-intercept form, slope and x-intercept, what is that, ma, please? X-intercept is 3 means what? D equal to 3. Perpendicular. If find the slope of this one, what is the slope of this line, ma, please? Anybody? 1 by 7. What is the slope of the L, ma? Slope of L1 is 1 by 7. And slope of L is minus 7, ma. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
X minus 3, that's all, yes. If I remember the formula correctly. Yes, Google, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So y plus 7x equal to 21. 7x plus y is 21 is the answer, my dear. 65th one, ma. Do you find the answer, dears? Do you find the answer there? Yeah. Absolutely, answer is there, right? Which is that option number, ma?
Yes, sir.
A. Brilliant. Option A, yes. Wow. Wow. What a question. But we should remember this one. If it is x-intercept, this is the answer. If it is y-intercept, this is the equation, yes. Wow. Wow. 65 is done, puppies. Next one, we will go for 68, ma. 68. Amazing one, 68. Shall I rub it, dears?
Yes, sir.
Like this is different. Right. Okay. Yeah. 65. I will go for next one, please. That's the 69th to 68th one, dears. If the straight line x by a and y by b equal to 1, this is the intercept form of a line. Passes through the points. This line is passes through the points A and B. What are those A and B? 8, minus 9 and 12, minus 5 years. Wow. Friends, here, this line is on this line. This is the line. This line, right? This is the line. The equation of this line is this. Intercept form, right? Intercept A and B. Yes or no? So, friends, when I say A is on this one, this is called x, y, ds. Put x, y. Friends, here, please understand this. They asked for A and B. They asked for A and B. If you see the options, you will see that A and B. All 4 options are asked about A and B. That means what you have to find out A and B. How many unknowns are there, A and B? 2 unknowns are there, right? 2 unknowns, and how many equations to solve you require? 2 equations required. That's it, over. So you supply x as 8 and minus 9. 8 by A minus 9 by B equal to 1. This is one equation. Next one, put this one, 12 by A minus 5 by B is equals to 1. Yes. You solve it. Illa, is only 8 by A is 12 by A. You go for multiply this with 3 and multiply this with 2. This becomes 24 by A. Aha, oh, what a brilliant one. 24 by A minus 27 by B. That's equal to 3 ds. Next one. 2 12s are 24 by A. Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
You subtract now. Cut. This is plus minus, plus C minus. So minus 17 by B. I hope you are able to see. Minus 17 by B. Oh, no. Solving the equations, yes, you get minus 17 by B is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1 mark. So you can write B equal to minus 17. Okay? And you put that B is minus 17 here, you get 9 by 17, 1 minus 9 by 8 by 17, you get A as 17. Okay? You substitute it, you will get it this. I am making it simple now, please. Okay? I think I took a wrong points. 8, minus 9. Other one is 12, minus 15 mark. 12, minus 15. This I wrote as a 5 mark, please. So minus 15 mark. That will change the question, please. So this will be minus 15 by B. Yes or no? So 2 15s are 30. So you get 30, 27. 3 by B is equal to 1. Therefore, B equal to 3. B equal to 3 here. Minus 3, 4. 8 by A is 4. So A equal to 2 mark. So answer is 2, 3 ds. Is there? Is there, I think. Yeah, B option mark. Option B, yes. A is 2, B is 3. What a brilliant one, yes. What a brilliant one. Have you understood, dears?
Yes, sir.
Great. Yes, yeah. Google.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Jivit. Mohan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please, it appears difficult, ma. Nothing of that sort.
Sir,
Yes, please.
I found a better way of solving it, sir. Instead of going like this, we can just write the equation in slope, in the y is equal to mc form, and then find the slope of the 2 points.
You can write it, ma. You can write it bx and ay. But anyway, the same. No problem. No problem. You can go with it. I wanted to show it, okay, without doing, just I'm lazy enough to do it like this, okay. You must be able to do in any system, yes, that's brilliant, okay, please. But simplifying this into normal form, general form is lazy, it's not a great style. Straight away we are doing it, nothing wrong in it. You must be accustomed to the different styles also. It's a difficult style, I know that. Okay, it's a difficult one, but still, we should try this also. Okay, right? You can do by writing bx plus ay equal to 1, okay, right? AB. That model, then you can substitute the x and y, you will be getting the equations for this. Yeah, you are right. 68 is done. Next one is 71. 70, 71. 70, 71, 72 part. 70, 71 normal form, yes. 70 and 71 is a normal form. What they have given? 70. P equal to 5, alpha equal to 135 degree, equation of a line. Equation of line, please. Come on, yes. What is that? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. P equal to 5. X cos alpha, cos 135. Y sin alpha, y sin 135. Sin 130, see, both of them are allied angles of 45 degree, right? 135 is 180 plus 180 minus 45. Therefore, sin 45, 180, 135 is second quadrant. Second sin is positive, cos is negative. So it's called minus of cos 45 degrees. Why? Second quadrant cos is negative. So x minus root 2, y by root 2 is equal to 5 years. Am I clear? That's alpha. Minus x plus y equal to root 2 or x minus y equal to minus 5 root 2 or x minus y plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. This is the final equation. X minus y plus 5 root 2 equal to 0 is the final answer, my dears. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So since the angle is 135 degrees, you can write sin 135 is sin 45, cos 135, second one cos is negative 45 degree here. Suppose sin 150 is given. 150 is the allied angle of what, please?
30, sir.
30, sir. Great, sir. 30. And cos 150, please. Minus cos 30. You should know from 180 how far it is away, Okay? Brilliant, please. Suppose sin 120 degree. Come on, anybody?
$60, sir.
Excellent. Brilliant. Very good. Fingertips please. Shall I move further? So 70, we have reached 88. Now exactly 1 hour is over. Okay. So we have 73, 76, 79, 82, 85, 88 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 more. Yes. 6 questions we are doing. Yes. Is this class is useful or not? Please tell me kindly. All of you, please answer it. Are you able to get? Is it useful or not? Or simply I am doing a show? Or what is this?
It's useful, sir.
Useful, great. Arpit,
Yes, sir. Useful, sir.
Mohan, Google, all of you say this yes because
Yes, sir.
it
Yes,
should
sir.
be. I made it faster because we cannot do every question all labor work. Because I am telling you, it will tax on me because there's no use. When are you going to learn? You have to understand the logic, DS. I am telling you the logic, follow the logic and kill it, DS. Array, come on, logic means what? You are holding the in your hand, my dear. Okay. You can tame even an elephant also if you have that ankush, correct? That the rider of the elephant, right, is called what? What do you call him? What do you call him, Mom? English? Mawat, right? Is it the tamer of an elephant? One who rides the elephant, okay? It's called in English. What do you call Jivit, Arpit? Do you have any idea, please?
Of what, sir?
That elephant who tamed the elephant, right? That who can ride the elephant? Elephant listen to him. That man's name. What do you call him in English?
I don't think I know, sir.
Okay, it's called Mohat, I think something. In Telugu, we call Mavati. Mavati. So in English, Mohat, I think. Yeah. Maybe I'm telling Hindi or what, I don't know. Anyway, so if you know the logic, you are like you can even tame the elephant. Yes. So that's such a big one
Sir,
because you
Mahout
know
only,
that.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Mahout.
Mahout, correct. After you went to Google, very good, very good. Mahout, right? Yeah. You spell out here?
Mahout, sir.
Mahout, correct. Wow, see, I remember it, Paringa. I remember it. Mahout, yeah. I'm just connecting. See, I remember in Telugu, whenever I read, I will connect with that. You know, some certain things you can connect it easily. That's why I'm able to relate it. Paringa. Mahout. So the logic is important, ma. Labor work, don't trust. We do lot of labor work, please. No. In the beginning, you require it, but ultimately, what you should think about is only logic, ma, please. What is the logic? What is the flowchart? Start from the more and more problems you solve, you become more perfect. Yes. Later stages, you will not be solving more questions. You see the question, yes, I know it. I know this model. Kill it. Over. That's fact. Next one. Next one. Next one. Like that. Fadafat you can move, right? So develop the skill of this logic for every question. What is given, what to do, and which concept can bridge the gap between the given and problem. I mean question. Clear. So friends, next is 73 days. 73. Same thing, 73 is also same thing, whatever normal form only. Venda. 75 I'm going to do, but 75 is a different model. 75, please. I think you could kill this question, please. I'll write the question, you please tell me. The distance of the point 4, 1 from the line. The line is given as 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0 dear. Come on, can you tell the answer please fast?
4 units, sir.
4 units. My God,
Yes.
how could you answer? No. Oh, yeah. 24 minus 4 is 20 by 5. Amazing answer here, please. Brilliant. Wow. D equal to 4. Straight formula, right? AX1 plus BY1 plus C by root of A square plus B square. So this is called 3x, x become x1, this is called x1 comma y1. Replace x with x1, 3 into 4, 12. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, same 12, you write it divided by a square plus b square. Paranga, root of 3 square plus 4 square. This is the advantage of Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4, 5. Wow, see, I killed it by 5 here. Arpita has logged it actually by 4 is the answer, please. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 minus 4 is 20. 20 by 5 is 4. Brilliant answer, please. Distance of a point from a line. Straight formula, right? 10.3. Are you clear, ma? Are you clear? All of you clear, dears?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Now, did I do this concept or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Express speed. Okay, great. Friends, this question is really good. I hope 77, please. 77. Length of the perpendicular from the horizon, that's called P, to the line. 4x minus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. But who will answer this fast? Length of the perpendicular from the horizon to the line, 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y minus 2 pi. Yeah. Who will answer this fast? The length of the perpendicular from the horizon to the line. Friends, array, come on. So simple. How? Come on. I'll kill this. How nice it is. See, this is the line. This is the length of the perpendicular. This length is called P. Is it right? The line is given 4x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Is it right? Distance of the point 0, 0 to the line, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you get D equals to 4 into 0, 3 into 0, therefore minus 2 by 5. Over. So answer is 2. Are you clear? This is the line. The point is 0, 0. Wow. So the distance is what? Substitute this x is 0, y is Wow. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. No, have you understood or I am jumping. What is that? Tell me please. Is it clear? Go Google.
Yes, sir, understood.
Great. Jivit, are you listening, ma? Jeevit Babu, are you following? Are you able to follow me? I don't know. He's anger on me or what? He don't respond. He won't respond. That's my worry. That's my worry. Jeevit? No. Never. Right. Okay. Aha, this question paranga. Next concept. What is the concept left over, ma? Please, can anybody tell? Yes, what left over now, please? Distance between parallel lines 4y plus 9 equal to 0. 6x minus 8y minus 17 equal to 0 is, come on dears, who will answer this? They need not say these are parallel lines. Why? Because you reduce it, divide with 2 ma. Divide with 2, you get 3x minus 4y minus 17 by 2 equal to 0 ma. This is 1 and 2, please. You have to make sure these two parts are equal, then I can say they are parallel lines, my dear. Please. Divide with 2 ma, second equation, dears. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So, second you get, so therefore this 1 and 3 dears, they are parallel ma, please. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So, what is C1 dear? 9. What is C2? Minus 17 by 2. So, what is the distance of two parallels? C2 minus C1 by root of 1 plus m square, my dears. So, what is m? M, because two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal, ma. Gogol, what is m, dear?
4 by 3. 3 by 4.
3 by 4. Brilliant. Minus a by b, ma. Minus a by b, dear. Minus 3 by minus 4, dear. That's 3 by 4, dears. Or you can write intercept slope intercept form, you can make it m. Y is mx plus c. Come on, dears. So you get C2 is minus 17 by 2 and minus C1 is minus 9 whole divided by 1 plus m square is 3 by 4, that's 9 by 16 dears. This is minus 35 by 2 and this become 25 by 16 now, okay? So minus will become plus, don't worry. So D equals to, this become 5 sevens are, 5 fives are, right? And 2 eights are now. So it is 56 by 5 dears. The answer is 56 by 5 per the distance between the two parallel lines is something went wrong. Brilliant. 56 by 5 I got ma. What is this? Why? Root is I forgot the root here, please. Right? That is a blunder, paranga. I wrote root here, but I didn't write the root here. That's the problem. Come on. So this become minus 35 by 2 whole divided by 25 by 16 is nothing but 5 by 4 man. So you get it. Minus 35 become 35 by 2 into 4 by 5 per. 5 sevens are man. Okay. 2 twos are there. 14 man. 7 2. 4. Am I right? Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But this fellow has not given that answer. Why? 3x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. 6 minus 85 minus 17 equal to 0. Divide with 2. Yeah, correct. C1 is 9 and C2 is minus 17 by 2. C2 minus C1 by root of 1 plus m square. M is 3 by 4. Fantastic. 3 by 4 na 9 by 16. That is 25 by 16. Root na 5 by 4. This is 18 17 is 35 by 2. 35 by 2 into 4 by 5. 2 2s are 5 7s are 14 minus. Absolutely right, my dear. 14 DS, okay, but they have not given. They have given 4 units. That should be 14 units now, okay. I can check the answer option also. Yeah. Question number 17. They have given C nonsense 7 by 2. Oh yeah. No. We are right, ma. Please go ahead with it, okay. Ilana, labor work you do it, but understanding is C1 and C2. C1 minus C2 or C2 minus C1 by root of 1 plus m square now, okay. So that is 78, okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, isn't C1 and C2 must be the intercept, y-intercept of the equations?
C1 and C2 are?
They must be the
again?
y-intercepts of the equation, right, sir?
They must be.
The y-intercepts of the equation.
Exactly, correct. Absolutely right, yes. So the formula is the.
We didn't take the y-intercepts, right, sir?
Oh my God, correct, yeah. You found the mistake, yeah. Great, yeah. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. He's absolutely Allah. What a Google, you are. That's why you are great. That's why you are great. No, please. Come on, dears. You are right. What a guy you are. Come on. The equations are parallel, no doubt, but you convert them into what? Y equal to mx plus cds. Illana, then you should write in terms of the other form. But general form lo undu custom namakku easy to remember. C1 minus C2 by 1 plus m square root. Fantastic. But this you convert into what? Y is mx plus c. Great, yeah. Sin equal to 4y. So y is 4x. This is number 1. Number 3x 17 by 2 equal to 4y. Y equal to 3 by 4x minus 17 by 8. Wow. Say this now. What is C1? Y is mx plus c. This is called C1. Anything doesn't matter. What is C2? Minus 17 by 8. C1 and C2, yes. You are able to see?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now you write D equal to C2 minus C1 or C1 minus C2. You can write any way. 9 by 4 minus of minus is plus. Wow. Root of 1 plus m square. That's called 1 plus 9 by 16. Wow, my God. 35 by 8 into this is called 25 by 4. That's 5 by 4. That's called 4 by 5. 4 2s are 5 7s are. My answer is 7 by 2 DS D. That's all. That's all, please. D is 7 by 2 now, please. Wow. Fantastic, please. This is amazing, please. So, friends, distance with the two parallel lines only, we have transformed them into, we must write into y is mx plus c1 and y is mx plus c2. Right? Brilliant. Very good. Thank you, Google. I think you really proved it. Brilliant. So, formula in the formula. Actually, if it is given in general form also, you have a formula for that. Yatana formula, how many formula you remember it, okay? Don't do that, okay? Great. Loved it here, loved it. Y is mx plus c. Y is mx plus c. So here C is minus 17 by 8. Here C is 9 by 4. You call them as C1 and C2. Vice versa, doesn't matter how you take. Whether you take C1 minus C2 or C2 minus C1, modulus is there. You can play with it. The answer is D is 7 by 2D. Right. Next one, ma, please. There's a formula for this also. You please explore it, ma. If the lines given in the, yeah, let us go for another formula, pa. If it is a ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0, what is the formula for distance between the two parallel lines? This you explore now, please. It is there in the book. Our textbook, it is there. Our textbook, it is there. I made a simple formula, but if the equations are not given in the y is mx plus c, if you don't want to take the risk of this, you can straight away do it. Our textbook, you can explore it. Right? Or you make a formula for it, okay? Make a formula. You develop it, okay? Let us see. Think about that, okay? Yeah. So, maybe last one question, Paul, last 1 or 2 questions. So it's 8 o'clock. So we were doing 70. Yeah, I have 2 questions for brilliant questions now. Question number 87 and question number 88. Ma. These 2 are amazing ones, ma, amazing ones. Okay. Even 86th one, my 86th one is amazing. The point of intersection of lines, they are given 3 lines, L1, L2, L3 part. First one, x minus y equal to 6. 4x minus 3y is equal to 20. And 6x plus 5y is plus 8 equal to 0. These are the 3 lines, yes. And point of intersection of the lines, all the 3 lines, where do they meet? Answers are given here. 2, 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 4, and minus 2, minus 4. Now, please, the best way is 3 lines are intersecting at a point, yes. So you just to put the options, 2 minus 4 is 6, wrong. Whatever equation, 2 and plus 4, 6 is equal to Pata, the equation la paranga. First equation is right, ma. Second equation paranga. 8 plus 12, 20, second also correct. Third one, 12 minus 20. Yeah, fantastic, ma. This is the answer, please. No need of doing. Illana, please, you find out the, solve these 2 equations, ma. Then you put this point in this. That means this point of intersection is same as for this also, right? So that particular, see, these are the lines, ma, please. This is the point of it. That means what? 1, 2, 3, right? Solve for 1 and 2. Whatever the point you get, that point also must be there on the 3 also, right? Therefore, you solve it. X minus y equal to 6. 4x minus 3y equal to 20. This one multiply with 4 ds. Okay, it's a waste of time. Y equal to minus 4. That's it. Put x equal to y equal to minus 4 plus 4, 2 my x equal to 2 over. But will it satisfy? Yes. That's all. That's all. So 2 comma minus 4, does it satisfy third line? If it satisfies, they are called in the lines. Write down this concept now, please. Concurrent lines, they call it. Concurrent. The lines are concurrent. What do you mean by, see, I'll tell you, 100% I concur with your idea, Google. What does it mean, ma? Concur means what? This one. Concur means I agree on it. Okay? Concur means agree. That means what? This point is agreed for 1, 2, 3 equations, ma. It's concurrent. They all agree for it. That is called concurrent, my dears. It's called concurrent, my dears. You understand, ma? What does it mean? If the 3 lines are intersecting at one point, that lines are called concurrent for this point. My 2 comma minus 4, these 3 lines are concurrent. Puridappa? Concur means what? Agree, not that conquer. Is it correct? My spelling is correct. Arpit? Concur.
Yes, sir.
OR and ER, ma? Social studies.
I think it's
Conquer, right? So you are going to conquer, right? Taliban has conquered Afghanistan, right? All of you aware of the Afghanistan crisis?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say these Americans are such a useless fellows. You don't find worst useless fellows than Americans. Bin Laden, they took 6 years to capture him. Okay? They are such a useless fellows. They have encouraged Bin Laden. One day when the equation is not correct, this Bin Laden has blasted that. All of you aware of that? Bin Laden, how he hit that building? World Trade Center, WTC building.
Yes, sir.
Arpit, you may be aware of it. You may be in the some which standard you were?
No, sir. It was 9/11, sir. 9. That's what I remember. I don't remember which standard, but it was 9/11.
Is it so early? I don't think it should be. No, it is. It happened some. I think it must have happened around some 15 years back. 15 years back, I think. They have killed Bin Laden maybe when you were in the 9th or 10th standard, I think.
Sir,
It happened
the Twin Tower bomb blast happened in 2001.
2000?
1.
That's what. It's 20 years, right? I'm damn sure because I was in Bangalore. I was sitting with my friends in the officers club. So where we were sitting in the evening, okay, around 7 or 8 a.m., 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 p.m. For them, it is around 9 p.m. Around 9 a.m. Early morning, okay. People did not enter into the office yet. That's why major damage has been averted. What happened? Why am I telling these words, Anna, please? They are very rich, no doubt. They are very good at research. They are selling the technology for all the countries so far. What happened in Afghanistan? They spent billions of dollars. Their army was here. Their air force was here. Finally, what is the end result, ma, please? End result is what? You are handing over to Taliban once again. You came to kill the Taliban. You couldn't do it. And you are going back. And you are handing over all your equipment to them. Now, American armies and air force, all sophisticated weapons are there now. They can straight away take just how Bin Laden has taken the aircraft. Same way they can do it now. F-16 they can take and come on India also, no doubt, no problem. They can do anything. So such a dangerous situation they are creating. It is a shame on the part of this Biden new president, how they are encouraging that, and see, terrible situation is going to come up. We are the vulnerable. Actually, we spent around 2 lakh crores in developing Afghanistan. Their parliament building is ours. We did it, not I. Our India has done it, and so many dams we are constructing for them. On the other side, they will kill us. They will do a lot of nonsense to us. I don't know how. At least if the government knows it, they cannot tolerate it. But America is doing the blunders one after the other, please. Pakistan, they encouraged Pakistan like anything. They have become worst people to us, particularly, Kashmir, everyday terrorist. Today, they no terrorist can cross the border and come inside India, please. They are killing there, then and there itself, okay? That's why country is safe, right? Anyway, thank you very much for this. We have done maximum questions, okay? So you have a doubts, friends, you can ask me this, okay? All the best. Thank you. Good night. Are you happy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care and do all the questions. Okay? And please ask me the doubts. Don't forget. Right? Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.